An Indian seafarer was killed and several others were injured after Iranian cruise missiles struck two UAE oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz, escalating tensions in West Asia following fresh US strikes on Iran. The UAE-flagged tankers MT Al-Bahia and MT Mubasa were hit while sailing through Omani territorial waters. According to the Ministry of External Affairs, the two vessels had 30 Indian crew members on board. The MEA said one Indian sailor was killed while 10 others were injured, including two in critical condition. India strongly condemned the attack, calling it a threat to the safety of seafarers and international shipping. The government also summoned the Deputy Chief of Mission of the Iranian Embassy in New Delhi and lodged a strong protest. The MEA urged an immediate end to the violence and called for the restoration of safe navigation through the Strait of Hormuz. The UAE also condemned the missile strike, describing it as a violation of international law and warning that it reserved the right to take necessary measures to protect its interests. The attack came just 2 days after another Iranian strike on a commercial vessel in the region and has further raised concerns over the fragile ceasefire between the United States and Iran.